thank you guys for joining me in today's video. If you guys are new here, my name is Santos. If you guys are returning subscribers, what's good fam? Thank you guys for the continued support and welcome back to another video. Guys, I don't even know where to start, but I just want to say that I am glad to be back. Guys, help me close summer 2022 and welcome fall 2022. We are closing that chapter. Summertime is clearly not the time for me to create content in this office. It's just way too much challenging. If you guys follow me on IG, you guys already know I've been talking about me being creatively stagnant for a little bit. So I did, take initiative to really get myself out of that funk. So we do have a new fall setup, which I'm really excited to show you guys. And in this season, we are going to be featuring a secondary setup that's more for themed videos. I really take pride in bringing you guys high quality content, and with the second setup, I get to really set a vibe and a mood to the video. So I'm excited to be featuring that. You guys know that I might not be super consistent, but you guys know I deliver, okay? So also my hair, I straightened it, guys. The humidity is getting the best of it, and I'm okay with it. I am okay. As I get older, I am okay with it being, frizzy, and I like the fluff of it all. It's a vibe, it's a chill vibe. I'm not perfect, and I'm okay with that. Never striving to be perfect, but always striving to be a better person than I was yesterday, okay? In today's video, guys, we got to play with a couple of new products that just hit the market, especially this foundation that I'm going to be featuring in today's video is viral on all platforms at the moment. We also got to play with the new Blend Bunny Cosmetics Primal Palette. If you guys have never seen this palette, let me go ahead and show you guys a beautiful color story. The color story is perfection, guys. Today is the second time that I got to use this palette, and guys, I had no issues. Everything blended like butter, everything went on beautifully pigmented, and I'm just here for this look. So let's talk about what inspired this look today. So truly what inspired this look was my fall background. There is a lot of leaves, and there's a lot of oranges, there's a lot of reds, there's a lot of yellows, and I just wanted to incorporate that in a look, and here we are, and I'm loving this look, y'all. I think that's all that I needed to mention in today's video. You guys already know, if you guys are enjoying my content, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the Ignitions family if you guys aren't already. Don't forget to spread the word on your new favorite influencer, and without further ado, guys, enjoy the video. What's up, everyone? Here is a close-up look of today's look, but before we get into it, let's go ahead and do some prepping. So I am going to grab my favorite lip oil at the moment. This is the Rem Beauty Lip Oil in Cool Mint. I am just going to lather a whole bunch of oil on my lips, so that way our lips are prepped for lipstick application later. Alright guys, jumping into the best of the best, this is the P. Louise eyeshadow base in Rumor number 2. We are going to go ahead and blend that out with a Kabuki style brush, and once we're nice and smooth, we're ready to jump into our feature eyeshadow palette in today's video. We are going to be featuring the Blend Bunny Cosmetics Primal Palette, guys. This palette is so stunning, oh my god, and here is a close-up of the shimmers in low light. Gorgeous. I could not have asked for a better palette. So jumping right into our first color, we are going to be jumping into the color Lethal. We're going to be packing this on to our crease, making sure that there is no gaps. This is the second time I am using this palette, and y'all, when I tell you that the pigment is there, I didn't have any issues with building this shadows up at all, and I'm obsessed. I really truly am. So for the second colors, for our blending colors, we are going to use the color Exotic and Winged. These two are going to serve as our transitions going up towards the brow. So I decided last minute to go ahead and wing this look out. So that's why you see me pulling it out. So again, we are going to re-intensify our crease. So we are going to take that Lethal, and I am pulling it out so that way I get that almost like V shape at the end. And then of course we're going to go back into Exotic and blend out those colors until we have our desired fade, guys. Again, when you are doing this, I do go ahead and suggest that you take your time, please. Trust me, it will come together when you just put a little bit of extra loving into it, you know what I'm saying? And then of course, we're gonna take a big fluffy brush and make sure that there is no harsh lines, that everything is nice and faded towards the brown. All right guys, so let's go ahead and continue. We're going to add a little bit more depth to the eye. We are going to go into Nocturnal, and we're going to go ahead and put that right at the base of the crease, so that way we add a little bit more depth to the eye, and here is where we should be at. Now let's get to cutting our crease. We are going to take our Garnier Skin Active Marcel Cleansing Water. So I like to go ahead and just wet our lid, and then like to take off as much as I can. And then mind you guys, I do use a lot of Q-tips. I probably use about 4 to 5 realistically every time I cut one eye. I just wanted to note that for you guys. As I've been cutting my crease the last few weeks, I've learned this technique. It's a rolling technique, guys, and when I tell you that this gives me the sharpest cut crease, I am obsessed. For all my small eye girls, or somebody that might not have a tight eyelid, this is a very good technique to really getting that crisp sharp line. So as you guys can see, it is so crisp without the base. So let's jump right into our eyeshadow bases. We are going to mix the P. Louise eyeshadow base in Rumor number 2, as well as blank canvas paint, and we're just going to go ahead and just cut our crease and blend it out. Alright guys, so jumping right back into the palette, we are going to connect our new eyelid to the crease, or our new crease to the eyelid. You guys know what I mean. So we are going to jump right into Lethal, and then for the eyelid colors, for our halo eye, we are going to be using the Untamed and the Color Ray. So that's going to be that orange and that yellow. And when I tell you guys, when I was editing this footage, I was like, candy corn vibes, period. Tell me I'm lying. But that wasn't the look that I was going for, but that's what it's giving, and I'm here for it, guys. When I tell you the intensity, look at how vivid these colors are, and they blend like a dream, y'all. So here's just me finessing everything, making sure that everything is perfect with my little detail brush, and that there is a beautiful fade in between all of the colors. So let's continue moving forward. I am gonna jump right back into the palette, and we are going to take that white, and I am gonna go ahead and use Hidden just to lighten up and give that final fade. Alright guys, so let's jump right into eyeliner. We are going to go into the Anastasia Liquid Eyeliner, and y'all, I've been loving this eyeliner. This eyeliner is super black, and honestly, I'm so glad I found this eyeliner. It has been working. So I am just gonna do a basic line across the eyelid just to have a base to cover up the lash line. So here is our featured lashes. Here are the Popsy lashes in the Style Boss. You guys already know, if you're OGs of the channel, these are my favorite. I do have an affiliate code with them. It will be linked in the description bar down below. If you guys are looking for some quality lashes, definitely use the coupon to save some coins on your next purchase. All right guys, let's go back into the palette. So I am going to take a Morphe eyeliner, and I'll leave the name down below. It's just a nice peachy eyeliner, and I did want a little bit more intensity, so I did jump right back into the Untamed shadow just to intensify that lash line a little bit. Alright guys, so let's zoom out and jump right into complexion. So up first is my favorite. This is the Pixi Vitacy Priming Oil. Guys, if you guys have never tried this and you are more to the normal to dry side, this product is amazing and will change your life. Trust me, I'm just putting you on. All right guys, so jumping right into color corrector, we are going to use the Lancôme Teint Idol color corrector in the color peach. If you guys are OGs, you guys know I do not do any kind of complexion without color corrector, so this is holy grail. I love, and look, there's no purple veining under my eyes. I'm telling you, stop sleeping on color corrector. Alright guys, so jumping right into the featured foundation in today's video, we are going to use the Lancôme Teint Idol Care and Glow Foundation. As you guys can see, the texture is not a runny texture. This is a light to medium coverage foundation. If you guys are sensitive to smell, this does have a very floral scent to it that does last about 2 to 3 minutes on the skin. So if you guys are sensitive to that, just be aware. Let's talk about this formula setting on the skin. So from my experiences, the 3 times that I've tried this foundation does dry down matte, guys. This does have light reflecting spheres that does give that radiant effect to the skin. However, on the skin level, it does set matte, and this is why it can texturize your skin. If you're not prepping your skin the right way, for all my dry girls, this will texture. I'm just letting you guys know in advance, so that way you're not confused as to why you might not be liking it. Alrighty, so That's just something else to know as well. Alright guys, so let's jump right into concealer. We are going to be using the Anastasia Magic Touch Concealer. I pulled this one out from the archives because it's been a while, and y'all, I love this concealer. And then to set that concealer, we're going to use my favorite, the Huda Beauty Baking Powder in the color Poundcake. And then to set the remaining part of our face, we are going to change it up this time and use the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder to set, guys. Alright, and of course we have to add our glow, our candlelight glow, my favorite, the MAC Cosmetics color cream color base in the color Hush. If you guys are still sleeping on cream highlighters, you guys are missing out. This is really going to give you that candlelight glow, skin-like, and it's just beautiful on all angles, in pictures and in person. Just saying, I'm putting you on to the good stuff. Alright guys, so moving on to blush, we are going to use the One Size Cheek Clapper blush in the color Freaky Peach. And I am going to take the cream blush and I'm going to go ahead and just push that into the skin, and then we're just going to take a large brush to get a diffused wash of color on the skin, and I'm just going to mix between both blushes in the palette. And then I just felt like my skin was looking a little lackluster and I wanted to add a little bit more depth, but again keeping it very soft and diffused. So I am going to take the One Size, I forget the name of this bronzer, I'll leave it in the description bar down below. And I'm just going to use a fluffy brush just to add a little bit more color to the skin. Alright guys, so let's work on our bottom lash line. So we're pretty much going to take the same colors that we did on the top of the eye, right on the bottom lash line. So we are going to take Lethal, and then we are going to take Untamed and Array. And here is where we should be at. And of course we have to add a highlight. You guys know we love to beam to the gods, so I'm going to take my little MAC palette with nylon and rice paper eyeshadow and put that in my inner tear duct. Alright guys, so we are pretty much done with the eyes. Let's move on to the lips. We are going to be using my favorite, one of my favorite lip pencils. This is the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Lip Pencil, and I'm just going to go ahead and line my lips. And then we're going to be using the Sephora Lip Stain, and I forget the number, I'll leave it down in the description bar. But let me tell you guys, I have been obsessed with these lip stains. These lip stains have been like so phenomenal, and honestly I have been off of the liquid lipstick game for a while, and this has made me re-fall in love with them. I'm so obsessed. If you guys are looking for affordable liquid lipsticks, definitely check out the Sephora collection one. They're bomb. And of course, to finish off this look guys, it wouldn't be a Santos look without the Fenty lip balms or gloss bombs in Fenty Glow. I love the Fenty lip glosses. They're everything. They give what they need to give, y'all, period. Alright guys, and to finish off this look, we are going to use the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Setting Spray, and we're going to just pull out Diva Fan and just fan that, and guys, pretty much we are at the end. I do hope you guys all enjoyed this video. I had so much fun creating this. This is our first fall look, many more to come, so stay tuned. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, definitely go smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the Ignition family, and you guys know I will catch you in the next one. Love you guys.